We need not have made all the sound arrangements that we did. Okay, how many people invest? How many people invest something or the other? Everybody, you do too, right? Okay. And how many of you think you made some mistakes while investing? There, that hand went up first. Oh, almost everybody. You haven't made a mistake.
I did. I mean, my
Okay.
mistake was lost opportunity.
That's a mistake. A lost opportunity is as much a mistake as investing in the wrong place, right?
But losing out money in a 2008 crash was, I guess, was a bigger mistake than lost opportunity.
Okay,
Because
so
you lost the money.
so that's a lovely thought. We're going to pick this thought during the. Is it worse actually having a loss? Right? That's what you're saying. I invested 100, it became 50. It's a very lovely thing that you have raised. What is worse? Actually losing money or losing the opportunity to make money? That's a lovely thought. But anyway, I think there is very few individuals who would say that they never made mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes. And if we avoid these mistakes, okay, if we can, we should try. If we can, right, that will help us make friends with money. So that I think is the intent of the workshop. The whole workshop is just going to throw questions at you and you have to ask. And just to make it more interesting, okay, I mean, if you guys are on Twitter or on Facebook, you can tweet with this hashtag even while this is going on, okay, with hashtag Paisa Mera Dost, either on Twitter or on Facebook. And there is a gold coin. Where is the gold coin? Okay, you need to show. So this is the price to just to make it more interesting, okay, right? Because I want to participate in trying to win the gold coin rather than trying to decide it. Proper vision, okay. Anybody?
He doesn't have a means to.
He doesn't have a means. How do you know he doesn't have a means?
Right now, I cannot see.
All questions in the doubt, ask me. I will answer. But if you don't ask me, I will not answer. There are facts behind every question that is being thrown here. You can ask me those questions. Anything that occurs to you. So you said he doesn't have focus. You're saying he has too many options, and that's why he can't afford. Why, if I have too many options, can't I afford to go on a long journey? I have a car, I go wherever I want.
Yeah, I mean, too many options. You have to evaluate each of these options. So it takes time. It's confusing.
The question is, can he afford to go on a long journey? No?
It's almost like a blind. He's keeping something opaque out of that. There's no.
This one is a map.
Oh, he's holding a map.
This is a map.
He can go for it.
Yeah.
He has a navigator and he has a map. And
He has a navigator. Okay. So can he afford to go on a long journey?
yes.
On what basis?
Sir, suppose you have some plant, connections,
Hmm.
equipments, whatever you need.
What is the first thing you need when you plan for a journey? What is? Sorry?
Destination.
Destination. अरे जाना कहाँ है? वो तो मालूम होना चाहिए ना. ठीक है? तो समझो उसको कई जगह पे जाना है. ठीक है? तो next thing what do you need to decide whether he can afford to go? He's got 5 places he wants to go to. Okay? कश्मीर जाना है, कन्याकुमारी जाना है, कलकत्ता जाना है, द्वारका जाना है. ओके?
कैसे जाना है?
हाँ, गाड़ी है. हाँ?
Which place to go first? Like what are
Is it, हाँ?
which place to go first, and then select.
So how will you decide that? How will you decide
the
that?
priority? I mean, what do you suggest? I mean,
Okay, depending on which one he is looking forward to more, that could be one way, or what could be the other way? Anything else could decide?
With the limited resources, how many things he can cover?
पैसे नहीं है पेट्रोल के, गाड़ी है, पेट्रोल के पैसे नहीं है, तो जितने पैसे होंगे वहीं जा सकते हैं. मेरे पास पैसे ही द्वारका तक के हैं तो द्वारका तक चले जाएंगे, कश्मीर ड्रॉप कर देंगे. Even though Kashmir was probably my first priority, correct? So absolutely, you can't. First of all, you can't answer this question. There's just not enough facts. Okay, and that's going to be the recurring theme behind this workshop. So please ask me more facts. Okay, you need to know where he is going, what resources he has. What will we advise? Drop a destination. Okay? Or, right? If Dwarka is the religious reason you are going to Dwarka, maybe choose a closer pilgrimage place. You can't afford to go to Dwarka. Or things like that. So that applies. ये तो समझ में आता है. Physical journey के लिए समझ में आता है. अच्छा, how many people want to make money? Yeah? Everyone. क्यों? Why? कितना बनाना? कितना बनाना? आपको पैसा बनाना है ना? कितना बनाना?
How much I desire?
बोलिए, top of the head, no thinking. How much do you want to make?
Near above the inflation rate, whatever.
Value.
Absolute value. कितना बनाना है?
1 crore.
1 crore. That's it. Done. You have 1 crore, you are done. Right? How old are you?
37.
37. So 30 साल बाद 1 crore done. Okay. 30 years later you get 1 crore, that's enough. That will be, why do you want that 1 crore? What will that do for you?
When you plan my retirement plans.
So 1 crore 30 साल बाद आपके पास होंगे तो आप रिटायर हो सकते हैं 30 साल बाद पक्का. Can somebody tell me whether he is right?
No. The value
Why?
of 1 crore will be very less.
What? How much?
Inflation will eat into it.
Yeah.
It's depend.
Mm-hmm.
Where he wanted to spend his retirement life.
Mm-hmm.
If he wanted to spend his life in a village,
Hmm.
1 crore could be sufficient.
1 crore
If he
could be
has some other
sufficient.
resources of earning,
Okay.
probably that could be sufficient. It
Okay.
depends.
It depends
How
on
you-
the things he wants to have. Like end of the age of 60, he wants to go to Europe or he wants to go to Mahabaleshwar or he just want to stay there.
Or go to Chinchpokli, right? You can decide where you want to go to, right? Like that. Before you arrive at this figure of 1 crore, that may be enough, may not be enough, right? But you need to
Evaluate.
evaluate. Okay? So I will give you an example. How many people are planning investment for their child? Anybody here who's planning it for the higher education of his child? Okay? So here is an example. Okay? After 30 years or after 30? After 37. No, he said 30. Okay, 6 lakhs will become, suppose that 30 years has happened today, that 1 crore is equivalent to 10 lakhs of today's money. 10, exactly 10 lakhs. It is a 10 lakhs,
How much calculated in the inflation rate?
8%.
So last from 30 years inflation is above near 12 something I think.
Exactly. So then it is not even 10. Your 1 crore after 30 years is 3 lakhs. Can you retire in 3 lakhs? If you have 3 lakhs today, will you be able to retire? You can't, no? Even if you have only say 20 years to live, even then you won't be able to retire. 3 lakhs will barely last you for whatever, right? A few months at most. So here, I think most of us, when we come with a figure, most of us have a figure with today's in mind. And human mind is just not capable of working out interest rates or inflation rates for that matter. So what we want to, just this will illustrate. I mean, lot of you said you want to save for your child. How old is your child?
11 years.
11 years. Okay. Son, daughter?
Son.
Son. Okay. So here is, suppose if he was to go for an higher education today, if his expense was 5 lakhs. Okay. Suppose it could be higher, it could be lower. I am just saying suppose. If it is 5 lakhs and education expenses, inflation is running at 10. Incidentally, our inflation doesn't run at 12, sir. I mean, let's be a little, okay. So let us say expense education runs at 10, education inflation, and it is 5 lakhs today. And let's say you require it after 15 years. In your case, you probably require it earlier, but let us say you require it after 15 years. How much will you need?
50 lakhs.
50 lakhs in 15 years at an inflation rate of 10%. How much will you need? 35 lakhs.
25.
25 lakhs. Okay, do I hear higher, lower? Yes. राजेश ऑक्शन चल रहा है, फ्री का ऑक्शन है, बिंदास बोली बोलो, पैसे तो देने नहीं, ओनली गोल्ड कॉइन एट स्टेक. Somebody, Sarika? 75 lakhs, my god.
20 lakhs.
Sorry?
20 lakhs.
20 lakhs, bang on target, I think. There, okay? And just a quick, when you don't have access to the calculator, there is this rule, a very useful rule called the rule of 72. Okay, and let's see how that works. That rule says 72 divided by the interest rate, inflation rate. So in this case what happens? 72 divided by the inflation rate is 7.2 years to double, right? So 5 lakhs in 7.2 years become, in 14.4 years it will become how much?
20 lakhs.
20 lakhs. Therefore in 15 years it will be a little more than 20 lakhs. Okay. So the amount required is roughly 20 lakhs, not roughly, this is correct, this has been worked out with Excel. 20 lakhs 89,000. Okay. Look at this rule, we are going to use this in many different ways, we are going to look at this rule. But this gives you, I mean, we meet clients and the first thing client says is, I want to save 1 crore for retirement. When are you going to retire 30 years later? He's obviously not taken inflation into account. In fact, this next thing is going to shock you. Today, what would be your living expense? Now take out your EMIs would have been paid, paying any expenses on your children, so cut out that, cut out EMIs, add some medical expenditure.
Medical will be the
Okay, so give me a rough number. If you were to retire today,
60,000.
60,000. Anybody else wants to do that? How old are you?
40.
40. Okay. So I'm just going to, I want to use a simpler example. Okay, 50,000. Typical middle class thing. This is without an EMI because by the time I retire I would have paid off my EMI. Right? How much corpus will you need? How much corpus will you need? Is it anywhere near your numbers, sir? Anywhere near? Not the age, but the living expenditure. Take a guess. Less than 2 crores, 2 crores to 10 crores, greater than 10 crores.
10 crores.
2 to 10. How many people say 2 to 10? Okay. Sarika is very hesitant. Okay. So do a calculation. Less than 2? Anybody less than 2? Anybody greater than 10? No? The number is actually 12. Okay? This one is a slightly difficult calculation, but here is how it goes. 50,000 multiplied by 12 is 6 lakhs a year. Right? I mean, you can do the calculation. 8 in 2 years time, it is going to become 16 times in so that is 6 lakhs has become 60 lakhs, right? And for how many years will you need it? Now that is a guess.
15, 20.
Let's say 20, let's say you live till 20, exactly. So 60 lakhs into 20. If you are assuming he'll live till 25, you multiply it by 25. This is assumed 20. So that is 12 crores. If you have a corpus of 12 and you assume that it earns enough to beat inflation, okay, then you will eat through 12 crores. If you don't have 12 crores, you will run short. Or if you live longer than 80, you will run short. Or if inflation is higher than 8%, you will again run short. Or if your money doesn't earn enough post-tax 8%, you will again run short. What is the point of the two things that we did, just the goal calculation? Anybody can summarize it for the group?
But like you are talking about 12 crores, but I mean some amount will be gradually generated after 60 as well, right? So that is
So-
we have to take into consideration.
So, but inflation will continue after 60 also. So the basic assumption is that this will earn just enough. After you retire, your ability to take risk reduces. So this is assuming that this money will earn just 8% post-tax. In which case you just need a multiple. And this is a good rule of the thumb. You can do a more detailed and sophisticated calculation,
Simple.
but take your yearly expenses, multiply them by the rule of 72, find out what it will be in the year of retirement, multiply by the number of years you hope to live, and you hope to live or your spouse hopes to live. because women typically outlive men, and women in India typically tend to be younger than males. Okay, and unless you plan to leave her destitute after you die, you better plan till she turns 80, not you turn 80, right? Yeah, Rajesh is laughing. Correct? That's what you are saying. क्योंकि 50,000 और 30 तो बहुत ही reasonable assumptions हैं, correct? But we will find out कि इतना बड़ा assumption नहीं है ये. हम लोग जो figure लेते हैं mind में, वो figure सही नहीं होती. ठीक है?
So this calculation is entirely based on the middle class family.
No, this is a.
You can do it for yourself.
So let's talk about this figure. This
Right.
figure is valid for the middle class family.
50,000 जिसका लिविंग एक्सपेंस 50,000 है,
Yeah.
जो 30 साल का है, 60 साल पे रिटायर होगा, इन्फ्लेशन 8% साल के बाद वो कम से कम 8% पोस्ट टैक्स कमाएगा. दैट इज द कैलकुलेशन. So इसमें 5 assumptions हैं.
What will be interest rate within these 13-50 years? After this?
If I could predict that, I would make a killing on the government securities market. God alone knows. मुझे नहीं मालूम.
But I have one fundamental problem. Like 8% in the FD,
Right.
that is also generating some 8 or 9%.
Exactly.
And why this
That is
health income tax
excellent.
department is deducting that?
That is बहुत अच्छा सवाल है.
That is pre-tax.
आप I'm sure you are an आम आदमी पार्टी वोटर, okay? Because वो आएंगे, वो इनकम टैक्स अबॉलिश कर देंगे.
I'm not, but definitely I would like to join this party to support this issue. In fact, this is the back of my mind since long back.
So unfortunately, whenever you earn money, remember your junior partner who sits in Delhi, okay? And some of the things we will learn here will tell us how that junior partner, okay, allows you to make money sometimes without taxing you. And I think not knowing that is a key reason why we end up paying more to a partner. The partner himself tells you you can pay me less, okay? But if we don't know that, I think, so those are some of the things that we will learn, very, very useful.